Welcome to Microsoft Fabric Weekly, your roundup of the latest from the Microsoft Fabric and Fabric Updates blogs. A busy week, so here are 7 updates you should know from June 23rd to 29th, 2026. We start with data integration. Multi-cloud data architecture patterns using Fabric Data Factory, now generally available. Most enterprises don't live in one cloud. Data sits in AWS, Google Cloud, and on-prem. This gives you reference patterns to connect and orchestrate all of it into Fabric, using pipelines and mirroring, so it lands in OneLake as one unified analytics foundation instead of a tangle of point-to-point copies. Next, for the Lakehouse, you can now diagnose table health with a single T-SQL command, generally available. Delta tables quietly accumulate problems. Too many small files, skew, that drag down query performance. Instead of guessing, one command surfaces a table's health, so you know exactly what needs compaction or optimization before you spend time tuning. It's a simple know before you optimize check, right from SQL. Third, in preview, a bulk copy API for faster ingestion in Fabric Data Warehouse. Loading large volumes row by row is slow and expensive. The bulk copy API gives you a high-throughput path to push big batches of data into the warehouse quickly, ideal for initial loads and heavy ingestion jobs. If getting data in has been your bottleneck, this is a meaningful speed up. Fourth, on governance. Use built-in Fabric data protection to get your data AI ready. As teams point AI and agents at their data, the risk is exposing sensitive information. Fabric's built-in protection, sensitivity labels, classification, and encryption that travel with the data means governance isn't a separate step. Your data stays protected wherever it flows, so it's genuinely safe to use in AI scenarios. Fifth, for Spark users, in preview, more resilient Spark jobs with Efficient Scaledown. Autoscaling saves money by releasing idle nodes, but naive scale-down can kill work that's still running and fail the job. Efficient Scaledown is smarter. It drains and protects active tasks as it removes capacity, so you get the cost savings of Elastic Spark without the broken jobs and reruns. Sixth, on security, in preview, outbound access protection for Azure and Fabric event flows across workspaces. As real-time data moves between workspaces and services, you need control over where it's allowed to go. Outbound access protection lets you restrict that egress, so event traffic stays contained within approved boundaries, closing a real gap for teams running event-driven architectures on Fabric. And finally, some research. Why data teams are emerging as leaders in AI agent adoption. Microsoft partnered with MIT Technology Review Insights on the Agent Confidence Index, surveying 300 experts across 101 tasks. The finding, confidence in agents is highest on well-scoped, measurable, structured data work, things like data quality monitoring and anomaly detection. That's why data teams are out front, building trust on solid ground before scaling agents into tougher scenarios. So that's your week in Microsoft Fabric. Multi-cloud data factory patterns, Lakehouse table health, a bulk copy API, built-in data protection, resilient Spark scale down, outbound access protection, and why data teams lead on AI agents. Links are in the description. Which update helps you most? Tell me in the comments, and subscribe for next week.